Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Trovo app not loading or crashing issue on iPhone. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. This app needs a stable internet connection to work properly. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or turn on airplane mode and off once. If the internet is slow, the app may not load. Next, close the app and reopen it. Swipe off from the bottom of your screen and swipe away the app to close it completely. Wait a few seconds and then reopen the app again. Now restart your iPhone. This step fixes many temporary glitches. Simply power off your iPhone, wait about 30 seconds and turn it back on. Then try opening the app again. After that, check for app updates. Open the App Store on the phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on the profile at the top right corner. Search for the app and see if an update is available. If yes, tap update. Old version of the app can crash or stop loading. If the problem continues, delete and reinstall the Trovo app. Press and hold the app icon. Tap remove app, then delete app. After that, go to the App Store and install again. Finally, check server status. Sometimes the app crashes because the app servers are down. In this case, you just need to wait, and that's it. This step should fix the app not loading or crashing issue on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.